Hello friends, this is Coach Veer on my YouTube channel Coach Veer, and this problem is given by my friend TOD Cars from FB, and I have solved it in this way. But if you have any other method to solve this by logarithm or any other, then please comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. It's important for me, friends. Thank you. Let's start this. So here what I see is there is a pattern. 2 to the power x is here and 2 to the power x is here. So we can let 2 to the power x is equal to some other variable like y, and this problem is being converted into 3 plus 3 to the power, let's make it as 9 as 3 to the power 2. So it is having the power of y now. Same way we can calculate this. You can see 2 to the power 2 can be written as 4, negative of 2 plus 4, and 4 to the power 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. And in the bracket we have the variable which we have let it is y. Let's solve it further, and what we get, let's check out. So we get 3 plus 3 to the power 3, and in the power of that 3 we have 2y is equal to 2 to the power 4 is going to be 16, and negative 2 plus 4 to the power, this can be written as 2y. Yes, correct. Now again I see something. What? The power of this both are 2y, and I can again change it into some other variable. Let 2y is equal to some other variable z, and calculate this stuff. 3 will go that side in negative, so we got negative 5 totally. 16 minus 5 is going to be 11. So what I got this side is 11. Now this side we talk about 3 and its power is 3, and the power 2y is going to be changed as z. Correct. So we got this. Now negative of this 4 to the power of 2, and this 2y is going to be as z. Now friends, can you calculate this? 3 to the power 3? Yes, 3 multiplied. So we got 27. Correct. 27 to the power of z negative 4 to the power of 2 means 16 to the power of z is equal to 11. Here, I think you know this. So, if we substitute z is equal to 1, then the situation is verified. Like 27 minus 16 is going to be 11. So, our z is equal to 1 is correct. And it is an integer solution. So, now let's find out the x. So how to do that? Let's make it smaller and put the value of z in the reverse order. So z is equal to what we have lettered it as 2y. So I will write it as 2y. In place of z I am going to put 1 and is equal to 2y. So y can be written as 1 by 2. Now if I write y as 1 by 2, I can write it as 2 to the power negative 1. Correct. Now why I am doing that? So that we can easily get the answer. Here we see y is equal to 2 to the power x we have lettered initially. Correct. So let's substitute the value. 2 to the power negative 1 is equal to 2 to the power x, and if bases are same, the power is same, so we can say x is equal to negative 1 is our answer. Hope this is clear to you. If you have any other method, please comment in the comment section. I am waiting for your comments and subscribes also. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.